Here are 5 must-have features that will elevate your miter saw station setup in under 60 seconds. We've integrated auto hood pins for quick detachment, transforming your saw into a portable tool whenever needed. We've incorporated drawer slides on a tray, allowing the saw to extend when in use and retract when not in use, minimizing its overall footprint. We have installed spring-loaded pins, which can establish a consistent stopping point. The pins can be disengaged, allowing the tray to recess back to the wall when not in use. Just 2 inches beneath the saw, the sub-level features critical storage for the hood pin caps, as well as incorporates a large mouth funnel, facilitating a gravity-fed dust collection along with the traditional shop vac system. Additionally, this design allows end scraps to be tossed, as the miter station boasts dual-purpose scrap bins underneath, which is equipped with low-profile wheels. The rear bin is for sawdust and debris, while the front bin serves as a temporary holding space for scrap pieces. If you want to take a deeper dive looking into these unique features, check out my video link down below and subscribe for more quick and practical DIY tips.